Another day, another dollar. Or in this case, minus $52.50 because I got a fat ass parking ticket from the city of San Diego for being in a 2-hour spot for 2 hours and 4 minutes. Dude, they are on it in that funky ass, tiny ass little parking car that they drive around in. They must be getting paid because they are professional. But I'm not even upset right now because you know what? I got this ticket because I am working on my first short film with another videographer. And we were there at the coffee shop for a little longer than expected, but for good reason. I'm super stoked about this. This is like one of the biggest things that I think I'm excited for right now. I have never worked on a short film as far as writing, directing, filming, and this is my opportunity to do that, and I am not taking it lightly. Last night, dude, I was up till 3 in the morning writing a script that we had come up with. I'm on the keys just mashing, dude. And then this morning I show up at the coffee shop, we're looking over everything, and the two of us came to this conclusion, no. Bro, we need to scrap all this and restart and take bits and pieces of what we liked from it, but craft something new. And that is exactly what happened. That is exactly why I was in that parking spot longer than I thought. But damn, did we get some good shit down on the paper, bro. It's gonna be this short film. It's probably gonna be about 20 minutes. We're thinking horror. 2 characters out in the forest, in an apartment. I'm stoked. Like the ending we came up with, bomber, bro. All this right now is something that I really need at this point. Because I've been dying to just have this opportunity to be in the right place at the right time and make the most of it. And that's exactly what I feel like is happening right now. The story of how we met is kind of crazy. Because I was in this coffee shop editing, doing my daily videos, and out of nowhere, I hear this voice, "Hey, is that Adobe Premiere?" And I look behind me and it's one of the baristas. And I'm like, "Yeah, this is Premiere." And she's like, "Cool, I'm a videographer." And I'm like, "Cool, I'm a videographer too." And then we were telling each other what we do. She's like, "Yeah, I do short films. I've worked on them a lot. I've been acting since I was like 6. And I'm over here like, damn, I do a whole lot of videos about a whole lot of nothing, but I am constantly filming. And she's like, "Cool, we should work on something together." And sure enough, here we are, working on something together. And I am not taking it lightly. I'm really excited about this. I'm trying to make the most of it. And part of that is because of this documentary I saw last night. It was about Sylvester Stallone, who, if you guys don't know, he's the main character in Rocky. I didn't know this, but he wrote, directed, and starred in that whole series. And the story of why that came to be is actually insane. He could not get cast in any roles as anything other than a thug because his voice and his appearance are just kind of off. So he said, "Screw it, nobody believes in me, nobody wants to give me a chance. I'm just gonna outwork everyone else and I'm gonna force my way into this." And that is exactly what he did. He put himself to the grindstone. He didn't do anything except for write films for years. And then he finally came up with the Rocky series, and it was just this gold mine of a series, dude. If you guys haven't seen it, it's a great movie, a great series of movies. And his story is just super inspiring. It's actually almost more inspiring than the character he wrote about in the films, because he just loved to do something, and he wouldn't take no for an answer, and he pursued his dream no matter what. And that's kind of what I feel like I'm doing out here. I haven't been doing it exactly that dedicated or that directed because for a while I didn't even know what it was. I just knew I liked to do videos. But here I am. I'm about to find out if I like making short films. And I'm excited to see what comes of this. This will be the first one that I've worked on entirely as like a writer, director, videographer. I've been on a set before, but I don't really know what it's like to do this whole part. And I am stoked for that, bro. So you know what? Fuck this tiny little parking ticket. I'm over here on to bigger and better things, and I'm taking the bad with the good. And I will gladly pay $52.50 if it means that I have a shot at making a short film. And that's exactly what's about to happen. I'm stoked today, bro. It's been a good day, despite an expensive parking spot.